only wants to fire at you. Wait next. Oh, there's Mark.
School fire for this.
In the car, so when it pulls you in, because it's so quick, it was the first time we used it. Just good, real nice bits of kit. It is nice.
Especially with the like modern day.
People away nowadays used to see on the TV, and they walk up with the hooligan tool, and they go the big bag, and they go like that. I wish, you know, we all kind of wish. Like we start doing it, we're just like this. We're wearing duvets. Our fire kit is so heavy, and then you're doing that, you're sweating. So much nicer to do this kind of kit now.
Yeah, but you probably can
So this is a rescue specialised truck.
This is a rescue truck, yeah. So the RT.
Is it? Oh, that's cool. So this is why you got those down there.
So this is a heavy rescue tender. So that is for bariatrics, animal rescue. We've got a small amount of water capability on here for water rescues. This is for obviously
cars.
RTCs, so
We can ripping the cars open.
cutting the cars open and reshaping the cars, which is more what we're doing now because cars are getting so much stronger now.
Yeah.
So we're starting to reshape the cars rather than cut.
Well, it's good and bad thing. It's good that burglary in cars, people can't break into them, that's one thing. Or if in a car crash, you've got less chance of being injured.
Yeah.
But it takes you longer to break into them, that's all, for yourself for that. So it works 50-50.
These are much more powerful than they used to be. So
I've never seen them before.
Yeah, these are our new electric hydraulic.
Well, they'd be good in the Transformers films. They'd be up for it. It's not the little plastic cheap things. Use them, get the actors to use them. They're thinking, what the hell? Are they heavy though?
Yeah, I feel
Really heavy.
Yeah. I'll just close this one up a second.
What actually goes in how it's
I like that. Definitely Transformers.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
How'd you lift it?
Yeah.
Like that,
Yeah, no,
So that there.
uncontained.
Wow.
It is, and it's getting to
That is heavy, isn't it? It feels heavy.
Yeah. It's around about 35 kilos, 35, 40 kilos.
knapsack on your back.
Have you got to use them in buildings, say, to knock it out, breaking into a door?
Yeah, you can use it for anything. Yeah, anything that is used for.
It must be tiring though to climb up a flat
Oh,
door.
absolutely, yeah.
Especially if you can't use the lift, or they haven't got a lift.
are.
They should have lifts, shouldn't they? All flats, really.
Yeah, but during the fire sometimes they can't, the lift do shut down, so.
Yeah, you can see that. You can tell they're definitely heavy though. You can see why this keeps your weight training for them alone. You know. Does it get used a lot more than those? Would you say?
No, the fire engines are used. They're primary trucks, so they go out to most things, and these back up.
Right, as a backup as well.
Our whole everyone on my station is trained up to use this, or certainly getting that way, and then this will go out along. If it's a complex rescue or something like that, this will always go along behind it.
Yeah,
So with the specialists then, because it's basically a big toolbox.
Oh, it's cool though, isn't it? All that as well. Did you have these in the 1980s, you know, or 70s? They never had something like this then?
No, I think it was early 80s. I think when they started getting the hydraulic cutting gear, and that was just hand pumps.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
But then the rest of the trucks started coming in, and I think it was late 80s to early 90s when they actually had specific
Whoa,
trucks.
wow.
Coming in.
Have you still got these old 1980s engines at all in any use anywhere? Or been dismantled and just
Most of them get either dismantled or they've been sent off
museum like?
they go off to Ukraine. We sent a load to Ukraine recently. In the past they've gone off to Serbia.
What, old fire engines, not the new ones, just old like?
So we send them over there for them to use.
So I would have
All
thought,
gets used, all gets recycled.
no, I've either built a museum or something.
I think there's probably a couple around, but some of the classic.
I love them, the 80s style. Square window, like square, beautiful design. They should have kept it.
Stuff like the old taps and stuff.
They should have kept it. They should have kept those designs, man.
You probably go to there's a classic car place. I think it's.
What can you see? Look at the tools, Arthur. They cut things
Classic car
open.
place there.
But they changed over the years, haven't they? This style of them. They had to, obviously, with technical things coming up with cars, like you said, vehicles. They got to now. You couldn't just
Everything's so
stick.
strong now. Yeah, everything's strong.
It's all electronic. But do you prefer the electric way though, or the manual side? Normal manual like?
Oh, I prefer anything that makes my life
Easier, like.
and makes it safer for the public is the way to go. These are really good bits to get. We got on the other side of it. We've still got the old traditional hoses and stuff like that.
Yeah.
In the pump.
When did they come in?
We've had these about 3 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Flip out, man. What did you use before that? Then they weren't electronic, were they?
Nope, we had these on the side.
Hello. Yeah, James, you can have a go in a minute. Just wait.
God, so much kit, isn't it? Flip here, look.
There's over 400 pieces of kit on here.
Oh, yeah, 400.
Yeah. So basically the same,
James,
but without the battery, and they hook up to that with these.
Can you see?
That's so cool, though, isn't it? I mean,
Right, can Evan and Odin have a go, babe?
did they ever break down? Do you know?
No,
Damage.
we've had them where the blades
No,
have
I don't think we can go in that.
snapped.
Yeah.
Because again it's hardened steel and this so it can, but that's under very very kind of specific circumstances when it twists or whatever.
They're easily replaced then?
Yeah, easily repaired.
But they're not electronic, they're just more,
No, they are just totally hydraulic.
yeah. But I would be more rather to use them because, you know, if the electronic was break down,
Yeah.
they're buggered. At least with these, you could rely on them all the time.
The electric ones are really good because we got a load of spare batteries there, and we've always got other options.
Oh,
There's never
right.
just the one option. Like say we have that over that side, which we'll use because it's nicer not to have that because you can accidentally get caught up and you can actually cut through that, or you trip over it, or so it's nice not to have that kind of trailing stuff.
What's that one for? That's not for the water one, is
Nope,
it?
this just goes onto this, goes onto the end here.
What's for that, is it?
So
I don't know
that
that.
comes off.
Oh, right.
So you rather have the hose goes from there to there.
Oh, just
then
the
the-
power.
and that
way,
trails
is it?
around, yes, it's
Oh,
all
right, you know
hydraulic.
that.
Yeah.
I thought it was just already just handheld type thing. Just
No, it's all
Oh.
pumps.
so everything really you could say it's got to be connected to something
Yeah.
to really use.
Yeah.
Which might be a nightmare if you've got to go up a flat or stairs and you got to power up to something.
Yeah, but that's why the electric stuff on the other side is so
Perfect.
good.
It's come up now at the right time, and
Yeah.
it's pity it couldn't be done years
Yeah.
ago.
Again, like say, this stuff is these things are relatively portable. So,
I've seen that at the USC event
Yeah.
last year. They had to break into a car, they put it
Yeah.
open, and I've seen them put that down and
Yeah.
power it all up, and the hoses and all that. It took about half an hour roughly to do that. It's quite
Yeah.
fast.
yeah, we get a roof off a car. Like, especially, I'm not sure what cars they got over there, but certainly the older cars you'll get off.
It's alright, you can
So yeah, again,
But it's just great to see up front still
Yeah.
more of the stuff and these things, because a lot of people don't know what you use. You see the basic, like a hose dragged out or the cuts, but you don't know what's connected to.
Yeah.
I think it's happening so quick. But that obviously, which I think these events, it'd be more
Yeah.
interesting detail. So by filming, hopefully this and stuff, people can get more a rough idea is what's involved. 400 pieces is a lot.
yeah.
Yes, I know.
Loads and loads and loads.
Oh,
Wow.
Good, good.
That's a lot of
Normal,
stuff.
normal toolbox stuff here. The hooligan tool that you always see on the TV programs and things. That's what they.
there's quite a lot in it. What's
Yeah.
that for night time? Those lights.
So
are
there
they?
you go on the end of the crane.
Oh. Have you got a favourite kind of, tool you like to use a lot of the most?
this whole truck is my favourite. It's over and above the fire engine. So
But,
this is what I like
yeah.
the problem solving side of this.
I would say that those electronic things, I think,
Yeah.
steals the show mostly because
They're
they're so fast and powerful, and you're going to use them and everything, really.
Yeah, make sure no one's using my tools. You know?
I feel something going on.
Firefighters doing it.
All right. But do you use this a lot, though, the crane?
Yeah, we use it probably. I'd say I probably use it at least once every 2 weeks, something like that. That's just me on my watch.
But do you use that for a lot for
So this
animals?
is for animal or bariatrics.
What's bio?
So anyone over 25 stone.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, they're
So-
stuck in something and couldn't
So
lift them by person.
if they have any if they have like a cardiac event or something like that, then we take them out through the window. Then
You wouldn't
we can
think
get-
that you would think you're like an ambulance service as well as a
Yeah,
fire
we do.
service,
So we
really.
assist the ambulance a lot. We do. The ambulance are obviously the primary carers, and then we're the specialists then of
Yeah.
moving people and moving things.
Yeah, I can see it's like a full-rounded, perfect machine, isn't it? To have all the tools you need. You can't. It's like a breakdown service, really.
Yeah.
For AA, like in
Yeah.
a way, breakdown service, you've got literally everything.
That's
But
it. We can recover the cars, stabilise cars that have fallen off the edge of the road or something.
Oh.
So
well, where do you based that?
Bridgend.
Bridgend, is it?
Yeah.
It's not far then, really.
No, this is the Bridgend one.
So do you go to other places though, apart from Bridgend, or is you just stuck
We
to
go
Bridgend? Or?
so we get detached out. So if they're short somewhere else, we'll get moved around the whole brigade. Yeah, so Bridgend is our base. But we were up in Clethley.
That's quite far, that is.
So we drove. This goes to Clethley. Goes across border quite a lot. This.
Phew. But so,
Swansea, Clethley.
Could you imagine that holding it above your head for a length of time?
bloody hell, can't even lift the
It's,
bugger.
takes a bit of doing, you know.